ability to connect with the peers. All of us say this cohort is in a similar journey.
How we can, make our communication impactful, and how we can interact with the cross-functional teams.
5 key things I would say that, the importance of, how you manage your relationship. And when it is about the managing, rather engaging with the relationship, be it your audit committee, be it your CEO, be it your people, be it the investor, banker, shareholder, and so on and so forth. So that was really, really a very, very important aspect. Second, I would say that, point which was very well driven was on the transparency, that you need to be transparent, trustworthy, and, kind of credible in the entire system, not only the internally, but also with the, outside stakeholders as well. So that's a really, really powerful tool. And of course, a very simple one, but very, very impactful, I would say, the power to say no.
So that is the key thing. How do you kind of be a co-traveler with your CEO for the success of the company?
People coming from industry with significant experiences, about 40-50 years kind of, and sharing their experiences in how they tackle those situations, and in the current scenario where this increased governance requirements and all. So it's really helpful. It's kind of a guiding light to us, in terms of how do we go forward and tackle those issues in day-to-day life as a CFO.
The one thing that they have some kind of program where, they are developing such kind of talent, or whereas the topics which they have selected for this, the manner in which they have organized it, start at particular time, and, how they're valuing our time. That is also important, because we are not wasting any time. It is very, very, very much organized, and the topics are very relevant, sequentially organized. It is very effective, and we can see that, what many changes or things we can learn out of it. So it is very effective to, get up on the ladder and understand that what and all things where we need to work.
It is not to do with any textbook stuff, or it is not to do with any theoretical or regulatory changes. It is more to do with your behavioral aspect, your stress management, a difficult situation, how will you respond to a difficult situation. Because the speakers who were actually giving the discussions were stalwarts in their areas, and they had a 25 to 30 years of experience in their field. So they were able to share their real life experiences, which will actually maybe helpful for us to deal with such situations in future, which will be making us knowledgeable as well as experienced to deal with such situations.